Magnolia champaca, also known as the Champak tree, is a tropical magnolia tree and one of the few magnolia trees that does not require stratification to germinate the seeds. So let's get growing. Step number 1. Obtain seeds. You can buy the seeds online, but they lose their viability quickly, and you will probably have a higher and quicker germination success rate if you can acquire fresh seeds from a nearby plant. Wait until the seed pods burst open before removing them from the tree. You can also pick the seed clusters off the ground, but getting them directly from the tree is preferable. Step number 2. Prepare the seeds. Gently pry the rose-colored seeds out. You get a lot of seeds from one cluster. Now you need to remove the outer pulpy fruit from the seed. I never did find an easy way to do this. You can either use your fingernails or a knife, whatever works best for you. They are quite slimy. Don't worry if a little bit of pulp remains on the seed. Soak the seeds overnight in room temperature water. After they have soaked, most of the remaining pulpy material should fall off naturally, or you can finish cleaning them manually yourself. Step number 3. Plant the seeds. Plant the seeds in a loose soil mixture. I use normal potting soil. Depress them just below the surface, or cover them with just a very thin layer of soil. Keep your soil moist but not saturated. For the sake of this video, I am planting 6 seeds in one pot. I suggest you create a mini hothouse effect by placing your seeds in a clear sealable bag or tie a clear plastic bag over the top. This also helps to prevent insects from eating them. Keep them in indirect light above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, about 25 degrees Celsius, and warmer is better. Step number 4. Results and conclusion. It's been 4 weeks and our seeds are finally starting to sprout. I had almost given up hope because it was taking so long. You really must be patient with them. 5 out of the 6 seeds have germinated, and there is possibly a 6th one here. This is really great. 5-week update. The 5 seedlings are growing slowly but steadily and are really looking good. The 6th one did not survive. These seeds are not the fastest growers, and for now, I am leaving them in their mini hothouse environment. 6-week update, and might want to make note that we have some first true leaves appearing. Anyway, 2 of them. And at this point, I think I'm going to take them out of the plastic bag. It's been a total of 8 weeks now, and the seedlings have been growing for about 4 weeks. And I have had them out of their mini hothouse plastic bag for about 2 weeks. You can see some first leaves on all the seedlings. They really are cute and beautiful. I had a high success rate and our plants are looking healthy. Please note that seeds do not grow true to seed. That is, seed-grown champakas may not inherit the exact flower size, fragrance, or color of the parent tree. Also note that it typically takes 4 to 8 years for trees grown from seed to produce flowers. You can also find links for further reading as well as videos suggested for you. Be sure and tick that like button and leave a comment. Take care and we'll see you in the next gardening video.